Why the MSI Vector 16HX RTX 5080 is redefining gaming power. Ever felt your laptop choke on your ambitions, turning big ideas into endless buffering? You're wrestling with renders, tabs crashing, and fans screaming defeat during a crunch. Sound like your typical Tuesday? Comment with a word that sums up your tech frustrations, because we've all cursed a sluggish machine when the pressure's on. It's the silent betrayal of tools that promise power but deliver headaches. Imagine deadlines piling up like unpaid bills, stress spiking with every crash, and burnout creeping in during your third late-night grind. The chaos isn't you. It's the underpowered rig holding your creativity hostage, turning inspiration into a slog. But what if you could flip that narrative, seizing control with a tool that flows as fast as your ideas? What's one tech disaster you'd banish? Share below. Meet the MSI Vector 16HX RTX 5080, the sly beast that laughs at impossible and delivers results. Like the video editor who breezed through a 4K timeline without a hitch, sipping coffee instead of sweating crashes. Powered by an Intel Core Ultra 9 275HX, 24 cores, up to 5.4 GHz, topping the i9-14900HX, and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5000 and 80 GPU, 16 GB GDDR7 for ray tracing and DLSS wizardry. It crushes lag in gaming and creative tasks. The 16-inch QHD Plus 2560 by 1600 IPS display, with a 240 Hz refresh and 100% DC IP3 color, delivers sharp, fluid visuals that pull you into every frame. With 64 GB DDR5 RAM handling endless apps and an 8 TB for plus 4 TB RAID0, PCI Express NVMe SSD for blazing data speeds. It's like trading a clunky card for a rocket. The RGB backlit keyboard, customizable via Mystic Light, maps macros for instinctive control. Dual Thunderbolt 5, Wi-Fi 6E, and HDMI 2.1 keep you connected, while Windows 11 Pro adds enterprise-grade tools like Azure AD for seamless workflows. Skeptics call it overkill, but MSI's Cooler Boost Vapor Chamber ensures sustained performance without throttling. Bonus tip alert. Stick around for a RAID tweak that supercharges load times, making your workflow feel like a cheat code. Picture your fingers flying across a responsive keyboard, the screen's vibrant clarity transforming chaos into focus, and a subtle fan hum signaling victory. This isn't just hardware, it's your unfair advantage. Here's the real kicker. This laptop doesn't just muscle through, it redefines efficiency, like when an esports pro clinched a tournament because the 240 Hz display turned split seconds into wins, pushing 200 plus frame per second in maxed out titles. It slashes 3D render times, streams flawlessly with unburdened CPU encoding, and juggles VMs without blinking. Pure focus for your grind. Its 8 TB storage swallows project libraries whole, no external drives needed. A hardware reviewer said, "It blurs desktop-laptop lines, a powerhouse for enthusiasts." A content creator raved, "My mobile studio, 4K edits fly, 8 TB keeps projects portable, game changer." An analyst noted, Ultra 9 275HX and RTX 5080 chew through 4K edits and sims, setting a new mobile standard. Users agree. Max games hit 150 plus frame per second on that stunning QHD Plus. No compromises. Another, 64 GB RAM frees me from app juggling. Boots and worlds load instantly. Feel that pull? It's the tactile snap of keys during a heated RAID. The display's deep colors immersing you in cinematic worlds. Why settle for average when this fuels your edge? Which feature would save your day? Comment below. Desktops beware. This portable titan redefines mobile as mighty. Stocks running low. Join thousands who've swapped lag for lightning with this bundle, including a PCO notebook fold cooler for chill marathon sessions. Don't wait. Grab the MSI Vector 16HX RTX 5080 now and unlock a secret RAID trick for effortless speed. Comment yes for the insider tip. Transform your workflow today.